Oh boy. I think it's cleanup time. Bonsai. Anyway, look at this. Why is it not focusing? Totally not possible to even get started. Anyway, the coffee's ready. I need to sort my stuff out. Because I've got some projects and I'm gonna be filming them. About an hour later, and it's still a mess. But I'm getting there. Yep, got my tools there now. Still so much work to do. Yep. My new addition to my workstation. That thing is gonna come in handy. I've got a lot of bits and bobs everywhere, you know. Just don't know where to put it anymore. So now I've got some space. I'm still gonna need to throw away a lot of this stuff because I don't use this anymore. I really just clean it up and use it for drone parts. Like, you know, motors. These are used motors though, but you know, I could have motors in here. Oh yeah, and this is like a little project that I've been working on, which was a flying skateboard prototype thing. This got too thin and obviously broke. I'm limited with the wires. You can see they can only stretch so and so far, but it did fly. I'm gonna make a different version though, and it's just a tiny whoop that's been cut in two, and then I'm just using a F3 all-in-one Fury B board, one of the old ones for brushed. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's see. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's looking nice. Got my Tyrannos up there. Got the goggles there. Yeah. Everything's good. Extra light up there. My batteries are in here. Metal container. In a metal. On metal. Yeah, LiPo for the goggles. Move over here. Got some extra tools. My radio. My trusty radio. A little drone that I've been fixing for my friend. Should be ready to go. And yeah. Oh, you can't really see that. But yeah. It's just some tools. Yeah. Oh, it feels great to have space on the desk again. It's not totally uncluttered, I mean, yeah. And I still have all that to go. So, here's some of that. Went over there. I was a bit lazy. But at least now I can make some videos, and yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. That's it. Have a nice day. And as always, fly hard.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. 30 seconds. 20.